Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Yeah. Twerking like Miley. Don't pop it like
Bitch, I bet I would. On the low, what's up with you, ho? Bitch, you smoking dro. Bitch, you know, bust like 44 when I spit that flow.
What's up guys, it's ModZ, and today I'm going to be showing you how to I'm going to be showing you how to put a patch on your non-jailbroken PlayStation 3 OFW using a USB. Let's switch over to the Ps3 part of it. Alright, so now you're going to go into settings, and then you're going to go into system settings, and then you're going to find format utility. Once in format utility, you're going to click on format system storage, and then you're going to click quick format. Alright, now that you guys have made a backup to your USB, you need to download all three of these programs: Package View, FF Viewer, and Pexploit. I will provide links to them in the description. Once you download those, you want to get a region code, so you're going to go on Next Gen Update. I will provide a link, and you will click on whichever region code is yours. For America, it is +3377, and for EU, it is BLES 00687. If either of these, or if you don't live in the EU or in America, then just look at the back of your MW2 case, and it should display on it what your region code is, or you can just look it up. Otherwise, I can't help you with that. So now you're going to download it, and then it will bring you to MediaFire. So then you're just going to extract it. Make sure you have something like WinRAR downloaded. This is taking absolutely 20 years. Some old bullshit. Preparing download, my ass. Come on now, computer. You were meant for better things. How dare you? There we go. Download. I believe it just took me to some... I have no idea. Sorry for the inconvenience. It is just taking 20 years. Alright. So it's going to download this .package. Who the hell is sending me that? And just going to Control J to look at your downloads. Going to click Show in Folder. Then you're going to close out of these things. I'll just close out all of it. Don't need any of it. And then you're going to drag this onto your desktop. It should look just like this, just a crap ton of numbers. You're going to drag that onto your desktop. Okay. Now you're going to open Package View. Then you're going to drag in this, what you just downloaded. And then right here on the left, you're going to left click this and click Extract to Source Folder. Now that it did that, you have this folder on your desktop. So now you're going to download the patch that you want. I recommend Prism V1, which I am going to be releasing very soon, and there will be a link to it. Chances are when you're watching this, it will be released, so there will be a link to it in the description. So once you get your patch that you want, it should look like this, and then you're going to want to use FF Viewer to be able to open it. So you're going to double tap on this. If you haven't used FF Viewer before, you're just going to click on this. No, excuse me. You're going to click on this, the application, and then you're going to click Fast File, Open Fast File, Desktop, and then find your patch. Here we go. This is mine. And then it depends on where people keep their functions, depending upon which patch you're using, but in mine, it's in Menu Bays, Pages, Perks, Pages 2, and Pages 3. So essentially what you're going to do is type in Control H, and then whatever they have the set perk to. So let's go to something like Explosive Bullets. Explosive Bullets right here, option 5. So right here it says set perk disturb mods. I'm going to change this to say your PSN, but let's say that the person that you downloaded from didn't change it. So you would just type in disturbed mods or whatever their name is, and then replace it with your PSN. So your PSN, not actually that text, but whatever your PSN name is, and it has to be spelled exactly the same. And then replace all, like that. Replace 17 occurrences. Now I'm just going to Control Z that because I don't actually want that to happen. But then after you do that, you have to click Save Current GFC, and then you open up all the other .cfgs that have it. So like here, you know, it has set perks in here because of this is aimbots and etc. So once you finish all that, make sure to click Save Current GSC, because if you edit one of these things and you don't click Save, then it won't save it before you go or you open another .cfg. But once you do that, you're going to click Fast File, Save Fast File, Desktop, change the fast file name to patch_map.ff, and then save it. So now, yeah, I know I close it. I don't want to save it because I don't need to. Now, once you're done with that, you're going to open up this folder, go to the plus, or whatever your region code is, go to this folder, and then as you see, I already have a patch in there, but for you there won't be a patch in there, so I'm just going to do, or actually there might be. Yeah, there will be, considering that, yeah, okay, there will be. So you're going to delete this, and then if there isn't one, actually, yeah, I don't think there is going to be one. If there isn't one, nothing's different, you know, you just straight up, you just drag this in here. Now, I'm going to copy this to keep it on my desktop. There we go. So you're going to drag that in there, and now you're going to open up Pexploit. And when you open up, or no, before you open up Pexploit, you want to navigate to your USB device and then drag the Ps3 folder onto your desktop. The destination has 8 files with the same name. Oh, I already have a PlayStation 3 folder here. I'll just use the same one that I already have. It's fine. They're the same thing. So now you're going to open up Pexploit. You're going to go to step 1, and for me it already does it, but usually you would just go to Desktop, PS3, Export, Backup. There you go. Open. It will tickle its butthole a little bit. And once it's done, this will be available to click. You're going to click on step 2, Desktop, UP, whatever the thing is that you just created. Click on this, then click on whatever the region code is, click OK, and then you're going to click Patch and Go. Usually the first time you do this it doesn't take very long, but it just progressively takes longer and longer. So sorry if this is taking a little bit. Usually it doesn't take very long, but you know, at most it takes, you know, under a minute. But my computer's running kind of slow because I haven't turned it off in like a week, or I haven't restarted it. Jesus Christ, this is taking absolutely just a horrendously large amount of time right now. Alright, it's done. Now what you're going to do, close this, and your PS3 folder should be right here. You're going to open your USB. You're going to delete the one that was in there before, and then you're going to drag this one in there. It might take a second to copy it depending upon your CPU, because this file is rather large. My computer is running very slow, I apologize for that. Alright, so once it's done, you're going to eject your flash drive, and then I will see you on the PlayStation 3. Alright, so go back to System Settings, and you're going to find Backup Utility, and you're going to click Restore, and then you're going to click on your USB device, and then you're going to restore it. Alright, so now you're going to load up MW2, and then when it asks you to download 1.14, you're going to click circle to cancel it. Then it will load up MW2, and you're going to change the brightness and do all the scale things that it asks you to, and then once you're done with that, you're just going to quit out of MW2. Now you're going to reload MW2, and you can now click on multiplayer, and when you click on multiplayer you should see the patch working. So thank you everybody for watching. I hope this guide helped, and just stay till the end to see that the patch is working. But I hope this helped. Please download Prism V1, there will be a link in the description, and have a great one guys. Thanks for watching.